I'm doing close-ups of the pixels on a picture on my screen. So I want to see how the pixels, the red, green, and blue, change depending on what we see on screen. So, okay, so I'm sharing my screen, and I've got this cartoon I did years ago with watercolor. And I'm going to have to actually share, I think I have to share my entire screen. Yeah, I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Now that's what his green shirt looks like. Just the green pixels, but a little bit of the red pixels. And right here, we barely see blue pixels. Let's go to the flesh tones of the face, mostly red with a little bit of green and blue. Okay, I'm going to expand this a little bit. Go to the yellow background. What do we see? We see red and green pixels. So there's only 3 colors representing all colors. And if we go to a dark area, it's absence of color or absence of luminance. You know, because chrominance is color, luminance is brightness. So we have no brightness, therefore no color happening. I'm going to go to something orange. You see some red and a bit of green, purple tie. It's got blue and a little bit of red and a tiny bit of green on some parts of it. Now, where's the red lettering? The red lettering is pretty much mostly red with a tiny bit of green in there. And there's a blood spot on the table, and that is a brightness of red is there, and dimmed down a tiny bit here and there with a little bit of green added in. Back to the green shirt, mostly the green pixels are lighting up. And what else we got? Oh, a blue background. So let's look at the blue background, and that is just pretty much the blue pixels that we're seeing. So our image is comprised of 3 pixels. If I go to white, you're going to see red, green, and blue, all primary colors pretty much being equal. Okay. So as you're watching a motion picture, movements on a TV screen or a computer screen, you're seeing pixels light up in different combinations. And you see the blue background of the Windows desktop is just perfectly blue. Of course, if I move this VLC icon down, you can see all the various different combinations of red, green, and blue that it has. All right, well, that's it for now. I just wanted to see some close-ups of the pixels on the screen because people often ask about what makes up an image on a motion picture screen or just a visual screen like I have here in my monitor for my computer, but it works the same way on TV. Cheers.